Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kartik, and guys, in the previous video of our tutorial we have discussed about array methods, and in this video we are going to discuss about array iteration using for each method. So before getting late, let's get straight into our video. But guys, before getting into our video, make sure that you have dropped a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So anyways, let's get straight into our video. So guys, first, the for each method in JavaScript is a method in which calls a function and iterates the element of the array. The for each method can also be used on maps and sets. So first, here we have to create a subfolder in arrays and name it as arrays iteration. And here guys, we have to just add a file, array iteration.html. Just guys, and let me zoom it first, and again we are going to use inline JavaScript like this. So guys, first, the for each method in JavaScript calls, just understand that the for each method calls a function, and that function iterates through the element of the array. And also it can be used on maps and sets. For each can be used on maps and sets. So guys, let's see an example. Let's see the syntax. Not like this. Yeah, syntax. Then you have to add array, and for each it is let's say my array dot for each. Then you have to just type not like this. Why it is auto completing? Okay, let me cut this out. And for each, and here we have to add our function like this, and the current value like this, then index, and then we have to add arr or something like this. So guys, I hope you understand this syntax. Let me comment out this, otherwise it will give me so much errors. So now guys, let's see function current value. A function, you can see this current value, this stuff, a function to be run for each of the element, to iterate through an element. And now current value, the value of an element. This is current value, it is the value of the element. And index, it is just an optional thing, but we have to understand that the index of the current element is array, and not array index. So guys, let's see an basic example. Let names is equal to Kartik, then colon dogs, like this guys, you can see. Then here, as we see in the example, in the syntax, names dot for each, then we have to add function like this, function 1, let's say function 1, like this. And now we have to create a function, obviously. So function, then function 1, then here we have to add item, then we have to add document.write item. Control S to save. Let me copy the file path here really quick and open a browser and paste it here. So here you can see guys, Kartik, colon and colon dogs is printed. So guys, as you can see, this is how we print our arrays, like for each, using for each, iterate through arrays using for each. So guys, now if you wanna add something, like you forgot to add, like let me remove colon dogs here really quick. And now if you forgot to add this colon dogs, and if you wanna add that, so you have to just do here. We have already discussed about the arrays and its method in our previous video, and one of the method of the array, that is dot push method, we've already discussed about it. So first we have to target our array name, then as we know, push, and now add what we want to add, like colon dogs. So guys, here you can see, let me refresh it. So here you can see colon dogs is now but let me comment out this, and now you can see just Kartik and Kodulan. And now let me uncomment this, and now see Kodulan, Docs and Kartik, 3 of them are there. So guys, like if you wanna use for loop in our array, so how we can do? So we can also use for loops in our array by creating array first and copied it and looped it. For example guys, let's do let me just remove this. Then guys, here let me add what, let's say let me make it const. Then here again const. Then we have to add, like, let's say copied array. Copied array is equal to empty, like this. Then we have to add for, like this, let I is equal to 0. Then we have to add I is less than names. I is less than names dot length, and then we have to do I plus plus for increment I. And now let's see copied arrays dot push, and then we have to just do our array name and the ith value, like names I, like this. And here just document dot write our copied array. So let's refresh. So here you can see Kartik and Kodulan is printed. So guys, let's understand what happened here. So first you can see we create our array, then we again create a array named copied, and we we make that array empty. And now we use a for loop, and here we let a I create a I and assign it with 0 value. And now we say I is less than the length of the array, the main array. Then we say I plus plus, and this is a copied array, and we push that thing, we push that array, first array, into that array, and we document dot write. So guys, I hope you understand arrays concept, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more about JavaScript. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.